Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me today for this Inner Child Oracle card reading. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth and ask, is this inner child reading for me? If it is, keep listening. Today we got Ulf Anchor first. And when Ulf Anchor comes out, he is saying, don't be swayed by the storm, be strengthened by it. To me, what that means is if life is causing some chaos, if there's a lot going on around you, this is not the time to abandon yourself. This is the time to dig deep into your roots, put your head down and do the things that you need to do to show up for you. You matter. You are so important. And it's time to reiterate your commitment to your own inner child. Nolan, Lies in Secrecy, comes out next. And when he comes out after Ulf, what he is really saying is there's a part of your inner child that didn't feel like who they were at their core was enough. And when Nolan comes out, he's really saying embrace all of who you are. You don't need to exaggerate or lie about who you are. You simply are enough. This card usually represents imposter syndromes and feelings of inadequacy. So if there's a lot going on in your life, you might be freaking out and thinking that it's because you deserve it or you're not good enough. That is not true. This is just the time to dig down deep. And Poppy reversed is reaffirming that by saying, this is the time to go back into yourself and give yourself the time and attention you deserve. Poppy also suggests going back and reading the Nikki card. You can do that on my main profile. Nikki's all about self-care and self-love. So this is a time to really go back and meet your own needs first. And Belle is again affirming all of these messages, saying you've got to be able to receive. You have to receive and have before you can give to the world. So what areas of your life are you depleted? Are you not giving and allowing yourself to receive the comfort, the support, the nurturance, the love, the wealth that you need to continue going? Very last card, Akule Guidance. She's been coming up a lot on these readings, so maybe go back to my main page and listen to her in full. But Akule is saying, stop looking to the external for your validation and for all of the things to fill you, and instead go deep inside of yourself. All of these cards are telling me that you have something powerful you're trying to create and put out into the world, but you are being swayed by the external. And this is a time to go within, to show up for yourself, to dig down deep and do the work that needs to be done for you. It doesn't matter what anyone else is doing or what anyone else thinks about you. This is your time to shine, but you're the only one that's going to show up for you. And so you've got to do it. Take a big deep breath, plan on miracles, and let me know if this resonates. I love you.